How to fail with SMMA. The complete guide. All that you need in just one video. Hey guys, I hope that you are doing well. My name is Selim Sheimi, and for an entire year, I'm doing one YouTube video per day related to SMMA. And on this video, guys, I wanted to make a video about how to fail, because I think that there are not too much videos about it, covering it. There is not so much information about how to fail, all right? So let's get right into it. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, because guys, nobody is giving this information. Nobody is telling you, is making a guide for you, all right, a complete guide on how to fail. So the first step, if you want to fail, the first step is give up. All right, don't try too much. Try 1 or 2 weeks, all right, something like this, and go do dropshipping. Try dropshipping. Try SMMA for 1 week. Give up and go try dropshipping. You will just have to do some Facebook ads and you will be good at home. So why bother, making the phone calls, making email? Just give up SMMA and go do dropshipping. But if you find it too easy, if you want to fail in better ways, I'm going to tell you how to do it. So the second way that you can fail is spend 3 months to build your website. Try to build the next gen funnel. Don't outreach clients. Spend maybe 3 months, spend 6 months doing your website. Everything needs to be perfect, absolutely perfect, before you can onboard clients. So spend a lot of time doing stuff that is very necessary. Build your website. Your clients care about your website so much. They want to see a perfect website. Focus on the colors, on the gradients. This is what is going to give you clients. If you want to get clients, guys, spend a lot of time on your website. This is how you are going to fail. Third thing that you can do is don't care about your customers. Seriously, the most important is that you get paid. Who gives a fuck about customers? They are just here to give you money, so don't care about them. Treat them like shit, all right? Don't answer to their phone calls. Don't answer to their Slack message. Don't answer to their text. If you want to fail, just don't give a fuck about this, all right? You don't care about this. Why should you care about your customers? If you want to fail, don't care about them. Don't be customer centric. When they have a question, just ask them another question. When they ask you for help, just answer 3 days after. Never answer 1 hour after. You have other things to do. You have more important stuff to do, right? And they are just here for the money. We don't care about them. Then what I would recommend you guys, if you want to fail, is don't care about pricing. Don't care about pricing. Just try, as everybody is doing, this is the best way to fail. 1K service fee and 1K for the ads. This is perfect. All right. So, don't think too much about how to price. Just 1K for the service, 1K for the ads, and you're good to fail. I'm going to give you guys other ways on how you can fail. All right. Another way that you can fail is get paid at the end of the month. I see a lot of people, they are telling hey, you should be getting paid, always get paid first. But if you want to fail, guys, be paid at the end of the month. So they won't pay you and you will lose money, all right? This is perfect. If you want to fail, do this, all right? Then, if you want to fail, there is one way to get client. It's to do 50% off, all right? So always do 50% off. When people tell you, oh, your price is too expensive, do you want to know how to fail? You tell them, hey, if you work with me, I'm doing 50% off, right? Even 80% off. Do free trials. If you want to fail, do free trials, because free trials are just amazing. Because you know why? You won't sign any clients with free trials. I was shocked when people told me, hey, do free trials. I was like, yeah, man, free trials, it's the best thing. I want to fail. I will do free trials, because I love to work for free. I love, I'm doing my business for charity. So I just like free trials. And if you want to fail, guys, I highly recommend it. This worked for me. I was failing because I did free trials. So if you want to fail, go all in on free trials. Never get a client, because it feels so easier to do free trials. It's so much easier to not ask for the money, to just say, hey, let me do it for free for you. If you want to fail properly, you need to do free trials, all right? Then if you want to fail, guys, do everything by yourself. Like you need to be the accountant, you need to be who else? Wait. You need to be the accountant, the salesman. If you can do the Facebook ads yourself, be the contractor, like do them. All right, you're not an agency owner. You're you're doing everything. You need to do everything if you want to fail. So be the accountant, be the salesman, be the contractor, be the cleaner, be the cookman. Just do everything by yourself. That's how it's going to work. That's how you are about to fail, right? Finally, if you want to fail, guys, don't care about your health. Like, this is not so much important. Like, who cares about sleep? You just can sleep like 4 hours and you're guaranteed to fail. Like, this is working. I'm telling you, this is working. So don't sleep, don't go to the gym, don't work out, just focus on your business all the time, right? Don't see your family, don't go, why should you see friends? All right, why should you eat? Why should you eat clean? Why should you work out? Like, fuck it, go to eat McDonald's. All right, McDonald's every single day, and you will fail. You will make it. The biggest thing, all right, if you want to fail, my biggest advice is just give up, and that's it. Like, honestly, you will do it. All right. So honestly, if you don't want to fail, don't give up. All right. But if you want to fail, give up, and that's the easiest method. So, give up, go do dropshipping, and you will successfully fail in beauty. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to start and grow your own social media marketing agency, okay, this is real. I've done a 1-hour free training, all right, on how to succeed with your SMMA, and you can find the link in the description. So take care guys, and I will see you in another video.